You are right. Now we'll discuss exercise 7.3. 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are this. We have a triangle, vertices A, B and C, coordinate of A, B and C. Now we discussed area of triangle is given by the formula of area of triangle is area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. You have to learn this formula. Now putting the value of x1 y1, we have first part is a coordinate of a x1 y1, coordinate of b x2 y2 and coordinate of c x3 y3. All these put into the formula. Now 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. 2 into 0 minus minus 4 plus minus 1 into minus 4 plus minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 0. Now 1 by 2 into यहाँ पर सोल्व करेंगे इसको, माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 4 टू जा 8. नाउ यहाँ पर माइनस 7 1 जा 7 and 2 3 जा 6 6. After adding we get 21 by 2 square unit. This is a part of first. Now second part 1 by 2. अब यहाँ पर जो हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेट हैं ये हमारे बन गए x1 कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ a x1 y1, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ b x2 y2 और कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ c x3. Now 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 plus 3 into 2 minus minus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 minus minus 5. Now after solving 35 plus 9 plus 20 we get 64 by 2 32. Question number second, part second. Question number second is, in each of the following find the value of k or which the point are collinear. If we have 3 point and 3 point are collinear, then we can say the area of triangle is equal to 0. We have coordinate of a b and c, coordinate of a 7 minus 2, coordinate of b 5 1 and coordinate of c 3 and minus k. Now find the area of triangle a b and c, area of triangle equal to 0. Putting all these value in area of triangle, formula of area of triangle. 1 by 2 x 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 and minus 1 equal to 0. एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग 2 से तो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. उसके बाद 7 माइनस 7 के प्लस 5 के प्लस 10 माइनस 9 इक्वल टू 0 एंड माइनस 2 के प्लस 8 इक्वल टू 0, के इक्वल टू 4. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट इज वी हैव coordinate of a x1 y1, coordinate of b x2 y2 and coordinate of c x3 y3. Putting all these value in formula, we have 1 by 2 8 into minus 4 minus minus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus minus 4 equal to 0. 8 minus 6k plus 10 equal to 0 and 6k equal to 18 and k equal to 3. Now question number third, find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the side of a triangle whose vertices are 0 minus 1 2 1 and 0 3. Find the ratio of the area of given triangle. We have coordinate of a b and c and midpoint of ab is d and bc is f and cd is e. First of all we have to find coordinate of midpoint of t, x1 plus x2 y2 and f x1 plus x2 y2 and e x1 plus x2 y2. And now we have again a triangle. If we join it d e and f, we get a triangle DEF. Now coordinate of a 0 minus 1 b 2 1 and c 0 3 and DEF, the midpoint of the side of a triangle, coordinate of DEF are given by. Now we have d x1 plus x2 by 2 for 1 0 and e x1 plus x2 by 2, this type of formula we use. and y की कोऑर्डिनेट y1 प्लस y2 by 2 0 1 एंड f की कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया 1 2. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC DEF 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and all these point putting in this formula 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 and plus 1 into 1 minus 0 and 0 into 0 minus 2, we get 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1 1 square unit is the area of triangle DEF. Now area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 into 0 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1, we got 1 by 2 into 4 8 and equal to 4 square unit. A ratio of a triangle area of triangle DEF and ABCD is 1 4. Now question number 4 is find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 3 minus 2 and 2 3. Now we have a quadrilateral A B C and D. Now coordinate of A minus 4 minus 2 coordinate of B C and D, and join AC form two triangle ABC and ACD. ABC और ACD दो ट्रायंगल बन गए. अब दोनों का एरिया निकालेंगे अलग अलग और उनको लास्ट में ऐड कर देंगे. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Putting this value of ABC triangle ABC 1 by 2 into 4 into minus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 and plus 3 into minus 2 into minus 5. Now we get 1 by 2 into 12 plus 0 plus 9 21 by 2. And area of ACD equal to 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 2, we got 1 by 2 into 20 plus 15 plus 0, we get 35 by 2 square unit. And now after finding the area, we have area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2 we get 56 by 2, we get again 28 square unit. Now question number 5th is you have studied in class 11th that median of a triangle divided into we have studied 9th class and we divide to two triangle of equal area. Two triangle of verify the result ABC triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6 B 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. Now we have a triangle ABC, A coordinate of A B and C, and again median of a triangle D coordinate of D, we have to find coordinate of D. Now coordinate of D x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2, we get 4 0. Now area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 plus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now area of triangle ABD 1 by 2 into 4 into minus 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 and minus 2. Now we get 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 18 minus 16 minus 3 square unit, and area cannot be negative than 3 square unit. And now area of ACD equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into minus 0 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0, we got 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 32 plus minus 30 3 minus 3 square unit, but area cannot be negative than 3 square unit. After then we have both area are equal. Median of AD has divided ABC into two triangle of equal area. Thank you student.